This is the Earth. You are here. The Earth is composed of four main layers called the inner core, outer core, mantle, and crust. The inner core is the innermost layer of the Earth and has a thickness of 1,220 kilometers. The next deepest layer is the outer core with a width of 2,260 kilometers. Second from the top layer is the mantle with a thickness of 2,850 kilometers. And the uppermost layer of the Earth, which is the crust, has a width of 5 to 75 kilometers.
The layers are made up in different forms. We know this because of the seismic activity works. The waves start from the epicenter and flow throughout the layers, but S waves cannot travel through liquids and P waves can. So wherever an S wave gets stopped, the area is a liquid form. As you can see by the diagram, the outer core is made up of liquids, so that only the P waves can pass through. S waves stay in the mantle and or outer crust.
Speaking of the mantle, convection currents happen there too. The hardest part of the Earth is the center where the pressure is greatest. The air towards the center rises because heat rises. Once at the top, it starts to cool back down and sink. This process will repeat over and over. Think of a hot air balloon, for example. In the air balloon, a flame heats up at the bottom and rises to the top. Once at the top, the air cools down and sinks just like the convection cycle.
Convection cells also happen to cause earthquakes and seafloor spreading. In the ocean, a convection cell can drive apart seafloor spreading and moves the tectonic plates. A mid-oceanic ridge is an underwater mountain range formed by plate tectonics. This uplifting of the ocean floor occurs when convection currents rise in the mantle beneath the oceanic crust and create magma where two tectonic plates meet at a divergent boundary.
Magnetic fields can be produced by moving electronic charges and the intrinsic movements of elementary particles associated with a fundamental quantum property, their spin. The iron core is a piece of magnetic material with a high magnetic permeability used to confine magnetic fields. The magnetic field is the magnetic effect of electron currents and magnetic materials.